Hi, and a very good day. Today, I would like to introduce to you a series of tutorial whereby we will be using the TinkerCad for our simulation purposes, and also we will use the Maker Uno from Cytron to for the experimentation purpose. So first of all, I would like to introduce to you the TinkerCad. Basically, for TinkerCad is it's an online tool whereby it allows everyone to register and use their features. So what a good thing about the TinkerCad is that you don't need to download anything, and we can do the simulation online without needing to download or pay or anything. So basically in the TinkerCad, actually we need to create an account. Since I already have an account, so the screen brings me here. If you don't have an account, basically you need to create an account, or you may also use your Google account to come to here. So basically there are a lot of features, not a lot, a few features of the TinkerCad, and one of the things that we will be using is the circuits. So this is the circuits. So whereby in the circuit we can simulate the Arduino examples or tutorials or any projects that we want to do. We can simulate using this TinkerCad. So basically, this TinkerCad is very useful for newcomers who want to learn about electronics and Arduino as well. So that's a very brief introduction about the TinkerCad. Let's create a new circuit just to show you how the things looks like. So basically, as you can see here, there are some helps pop-ups here. Actually, we don't need to look into it. Okay, so basically this is the window. Once you create new circuit, it will bring you here. So in here you can see a bunch of components, and you have the basic components, all components, and for the starters you have the basic Arduino microbit circuit assemblies on. So basically in here you have a bunch of components and also a starters available for you to do, and that's very brief. And here's the code, and here's start simulation. So that's the very brief introduction to TinkerCad. We will look into the detail once we start our first tutorial later. And now I would like to show you about the Maker Uno. First of all, you can buy the Maker Uno from Cytron. As you can see, I'm going through the website here now. So it's a compatible Arduino mainboard, and you have a bunch of compatible mainboard, but what we are focusing on is the Maker Uno. So this is the Maker Uno Simplifying Arduino for Education, which costs you around 29 ringgit. And this is the Maker Uno X and also the Maker Uno Plus. So basically the Maker Uno are the same. Only for Maker Uno X you have some differentiation. Later we will look into the what are the things you will get when you order a Maker Uno X and a Maker Uno Plus. So basically these are the two different type of Maker Uno which I have told earlier. So in front of me this is the Maker Uno Plus, and this is the Maker Uno X. So now first let's look what's inside the Maker Uno Plus. So let's open it up. Okay, so inside here you will get a male-to-male jumper, so you can see here, and you will get a USB cable here, and some components. Later we'll look into it. Breadboard, and the Maker Uno. So now let's look what's inside the Maker Uno. So let's open it up. Okay, so this is how the Maker Uno looks like. So as you can see here, when you open the box, they say like, "Hey Maker, let's start making something." So basically, this is the like pre-downloaded program, so whereby you can just try to run it out of the box. So that's about some introduction. So this is the Maker Uno. As you can see here, it's written here Maker Uno. It's clear here. And this Maker Uno is a bit different from the original Arduino board. Basically, whereby here you can see you have a buzzer here and a switch here. I think it's clear here. Buzzer here and a switch here to on and off. And also you have a programmable push button here. Apart from the reset button, you have the programmable push button. Also, you have an array of LED here. These are connected to all the digital pins. On both sides, you have all the digital pins have the array of LEDs here. And also, if you can see, I have pasted the sticker here. This comes with the Maker Uno, whereby this has the pin identification. Let me show you. I hope this is clear for you. I'm just trying to point to you. So it's not so clear. Now it's a bit clear. So it has all the pin identification here on both sides also. So this is quite useful when we are building an Arduino project and we are stacking up a shield on top of here. So this pin number is still visible for you. So that's very useful. So that's about the Maker Uno Plus. Okay. Now let's look at the Maker Uno X. So Maker Uno X, when you order it, will come in this size of box. So let's open it up and see. Okay, so in here, you will get two type of jumper cable. One is the male to male connector, and another one is the male to female connector. Okay, and you'll get a USB cable, and you get same type of bunch of components, the DC motor, the blade. We'll look into it later. And you'll get an extra from that. You'll get a ultrasonic sensor, which is a HC-SR04P, and also you will get a infrared sensor. Okay, and this is the Maker Uno X. Let's open the Maker Uno X. So here inside the box, you can see this is you will get a thing. You have to get started with the board, some info here. And also you'll get a breadboard and the sticker here. This is what I have pasted on the previous Maker Uno Plus, and also the Maker Uno X. So now let's look at the Maker Uno X. So basically Maker Uno X comes with an extra proto board which has attached to it together, and it's breakable. Actually, you can break it up together, but this proto board is quite useful, like if you want to solder it directly here and the connection to be made very near. So it's quite useful for the proto board here. And also this here, they have some details about the collaboration, how they make the Maker Uno X. So it's breakable also. So that's basically about the Maker Uno. Other than that, it's a bit all the same as a normal Maker Uno. So that's about it, about the Maker Uno.